no muscle, no hustle, no backbone. I stand alone, not tripping, just saying I'm different. Ain't hanging on to the coattails of the next man. Passport in my left hand, thinking that you are next. Heck, oh, you ain't holding your breath, man, cause I'm out here, I'm hungry. I don't play around, trust me. Ain't had as much drive since my Honda Civic got rusty, and my girl said she loved me. It's funny, just thinking back, study hard for that 9 to 5, like I thought that should be good, but that it was dreaming, still dreaming. The spotlight on me like Willie Beeman, still performing like Al Pacino. Still in tuxedos with my peoples. We growing up, still don't seem like we slowing up. 10 squad, we throwing up every time that we showing up. Get it while I'm living. All I ever hear is the clock tick, tick, ticking. So I'm about my business and I'm running with it now. They don't wanna give it up, we gon' make it out. Get it while I'm living. All I ever hear is the clock tick, tick, ticking. So I'm about my business and I'm running with it now. They don't wanna give it up, we gon' make it out. It don't get no greater. Feel like I'm on fire, feel like I'm Johnny Storm, feel like I'm volatile, explosive. Get close enough to notice your girl act out of character when she see me approaching. Ain't coaching, I'm just saying it's nothing. You punching above your weight, I'm something. She ain't seen no substitute in that 18. That's BA, Baracus, that BS, that whackness. Get no play in my answers, make them jump like AJ Hackett. Guarantee you, in these boots they couldn't walk 1 mile. Really need to go and hang it up like a drunk doll. So behind the times, they should probably rock a sundial. Shattering their dreams, I can make big puns smile. Music from the soul, don't need them to help me. If they fiending for the flash, they should take another selfie. Said I'm running. I'm no Farrah, so dapper. Swear the whole world could go against me, it don't matter, man. Get it while I'm living. All I ever hear is the clock